Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the exact video file or a stable URL and extracting its audio right away. This reduces lip sync drift later. Once done, run FFmpeg to create a clean WAV track and note the video codec and frame rate so subtitles match timing. Next, pick a speech-to-text option. Cloud gives higher accuracy quickly, while a local model is cheaper and private. Make sure to configure language hints and model size, so transcription quality is optimized for the content you have. Now you transcribe the cleaned audio into a precise, time-coded transcript. Enable timestamps and, if needed, speaker labels so edits are obvious. Once you have the transcript, feed it to a neural translation engine while preserving context, split long sentences, keep idioms as notes, and use glossary entries for names or brand terms. After translation, create subtitle files, SRT or VTT, matching original timestamps with up to 1/3 second tolerance. Alternatively, produce a translated script for voice actors or TTS voices. Finally, integrate the translation. Either embed the SRT/VTT into the video player, burn subtitles into frames, or synthesize dubbed audio using the translated script and lip sync tools. Make sure you test on several players and resolutions, verifying reading speed, 2-line max per subtitle, and cultural nuances. If timing or accuracy is off, rerun transcription for noisy segments, adjust subtitle timestamps by small offsets, or use forced alignment tools, and always keep original files and intermediate transcripts so you can revert quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.